Hi, I am so excited to see you and give you this great workout today using only a chair. I will also be pulling a mat out. It's not necessary, but I will use it because I'm on hard floor. So this workout came about when I was at home on a winter day. I couldn't get out, baby was napping, and I wanted a great workout, and thus the chair workout was born. So any kind of chair will do fine. I recommend putting it up against a wall or a sturdy surface. If you do have carpet and it's a nice heavy chair, it might be fine. You just want to make sure that it's not going to move and be unsafe when we get going, okay? So all you need is a chair, and then let's start. You are going to sit in your chair here. Have your feet a little wider than hip distance apart, turned out slightly. And then what we're going to do is stand up and sit back down, right? No big deal. Starting with some squats. When you come down, your arms come in front, and then right back up. So what I want you to think about is not settling back into the chair each time. It's like your tail is just trying to hit the chair and then kind of pop right back up. So I'm leaving the weight in my heels, and I'm keeping myself kind of really sturdy on my feet versus putting my weight back into my tail and settling into that chair, right? So we're gonna inhale down, exhale up. So we're gonna do a few here, obviously. It'll be a little different depending on the height of your chair. So you can kind of experiment with different chairs at home. That's what I've done. Okay, last one. Come down, and I want you to hover right above the chair in little pulses. Pulse, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stand back up. Nice job. All right, so we're going to stay facing this way, and you're going to come forward. I have this handy wall, but you might need to find something to balance. And then you're going to put your right foot back, okay? So we're going to come down and up, getting into some lunges here. Really nice, wide stance. If you need some help with balance, just have another chair in front of you, or a stick if you need to hang on to it. And then you want that wide stance because if you go into a lunge and you find that that knee is going really far forward over the toe, that's what can bother your knee with lunges sometimes. Nice tall posture. 4, 3, 2, 1. Come down and hold it. We're going to pulse. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice job. Switch feet. So stand up nice and tall to start with, and when you're ready, down and up. If you have done workouts with me before, you may have used the chair, but mostly for our bar workouts. So that would be a great workout to combine with this. If you wanted a little bit longer of a workout for that day, combine this with one of the bar workouts because you already have the chair. So you might as well. Maybe that inner thigh bar workout would be a great one. And my heart rate's already coming up. I can feel it. Okay, 4 more. 3, 2, 1. Come down and hold it. Pulse. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and press back up. Nice job. We're going to turn, face the chair, and we're going to go into some push-ups. So this is where you really put that chair to be sturdy, all right? Your hands are as wide as they can go on the chair that you have. When you're ready, inhale and exhale. So you could come down onto your knees here, all right? So here's your modification if you need it. Elbows are bending out to the side. Let's do 4 more. 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring your right hand to the middle. Rotate. Left hand comes up. Now you're going to twist to bring your left hand under and then lift it up. So this is a nice modified way to do some of our side planks. It's actually usually not as hard as being down on the mat. Good, let's do one more, so we're just going for 4. Good, come back to center, left hand in the middle, rotate the other way, and let's twist. And last 2. Last one. Nice, come back to center. All right, hold your plank now. Right leg is gonna hover and we're gonna lift it up, down. So some leg pull. Make sure your elbows aren't locked. See, I had to say that because mine were. See, I talk myself through this as much as I talk you through it. Switch legs. So you're nice and high on the right toes. You can do this barefoot, by the way, if you prefer. With the squats and the lunges, I usually like to have my shoes. This is the way I do it at home. But if I'm combining workouts, sometimes I'll do a few chair things, you know, just with my bare feet too. Nice job. Feet down, lean back. And I want you to try to find a flat back here. So for one, the stretch just feels good. But then we're also going to turn it into an exercise. Right leg covers, lift it up and down. Now I have a wall here that I'm hitting, so I'm going to move a little closer. So you're just trying to lift the leg up and down, about to body height if you can. See if you can keep the hips level and facing the floor. And then the shoulders are relaxed. Last 2. Good, now bend it in as the other knee bends also, and then kick them both back out. So both knees bend, and then straighten and reach. So we're going for 10 here. You got it. Last 3, and 2. Last 1. Nice job. Right foot comes down. Find that nice stretch again. Find your flat back, and then when you're ready, left leg is just going to lift up and down, keeping it straight. You just want a little bend in the right knee, just enough so that it's not locked. Nice job. 4 more. 4. Really keep the left leg straight so that you're lifting from your booty or hamstring. Last one. Now bend it in. So both bend and then press. So you'll notice I really give that big exhale every time. Not only obviously are we trying to oxygenate our blood in our body, but it just gives me something to focus on when things start to get hard. When my heart rate really gets up there, I feel my breath can get shallow, so it helps me to focus on that exhale especially. Last one. Nice job. Foot down, step back. We're going to do another set of push-ups, all right? So feel free to come down onto your knees if you need to. And 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice job. Step your feet in, roll yourself up. Nice. Turn around and sit back down. So again, you're going to be on the front edge. We're going to find some squats again. So same position with the feet slightly turned out, a little wider than hip distance. When you're ready, stand up. Inhale, sit down. Now, if you want to make it a little harder, then just barely touch the chair and come right back up. So I'm not even putting any of my weight onto the chair. Like I'm just reaching back till I feel it and then I come right back up. So either one. Just make sure that you stay kind of on the front edge of the chair. If you scoot way back and get comfortable in it, it's harder to come back up. Okay, last 2. And come down. So you might stay with that. If you're ready to progress it, we're going to go to single leg, to some pistol squats. This is one of my favorite things to do in the chair. You want to bring your legs though to hip distance apart. It needs to come a little closer. That right foot is flat. The left leg is lifted. Now, you might even have to bring the right foot back. My chair is shorter here than they are at home when I practice this, so let's see how I do. You're gonna exhale and come up. Inhale, come back down. So on this one, I am letting my weight come down because I'm just not strong enough yet to pop right back up in my pistol squats. But I'm not getting comfortable there. I'm just there long enough to reorganize, to come back up. Last one. Nice job, let's switch. Left foot flat, right leg lifts. This is as much work for that lifted leg really as it is for the other one. So if these are really hard for you, or if they just feel impossible, I get it. I've been working on these for about 6 months, because they're a really functional, good exercise, but yeah, they're hard. So what I've found is a higher chair does make it easier. So you could try that. I even have people do this like on a high stool sometimes to get used to it. Last one. And back down. Nice job.